Tonight, dramatic video shows what happened when a suspected bank robber came face-to-face with Sarasota police officers. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Lee.
I'm Keith. Kate, thank you for joining us tonight. That suspect was in the middle of a pond, and the standoff unfolded on Tuesday near New College of Florida in Sarasota. Police say the man robbed a Fifth Third bank over the weekend. News Channel 8's Alessandra Young has the story.
The Sarasota Police Department says this all started here when a 54-year-old man robbed this bank this past Saturday. An arrest warrant went out, which led to a chase and ended in an officer-involved shooting. Now, the PD says all 5 officers involved are on an administrative leave, which is normal protocol.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
The Sarasota Police Department released several minutes worth of body-worn video from 5 officers involved in Monday's shooting. According to police, 54-year-old William Pickett robbed Fifth Third Bank last Saturday. There was a warrant out for his arrest, and Pickett was wanted for robbery with a firearm and grand theft auto between $10,000 and $20,000. And a traffic stop near University Parkway and U.S. 41 led to the suspect's car in water.
The car just reversed down into the lake.
You can see and hear different point of views from law enforcement.
He's floating in the middle of the water right now, trying to call him out of the car.
Get out of the car right now! Next to the beach.
He's reaching into his jacket.
Officers start yelling that Pickett has a gun.
Don't do it, brother. Come on. You gotta get out of the car. It's a better way for this.
Shots fired. Looks like the suspect is hit.
Oh, he's still moving.
Eagle 8 captured video of Pickett's vehicle that was submerged in water. Officers worked to recover it, and once pulled from the water, there were several bullet holes on the windshield of the car. The police department said that Pickett was dead after the shooting. The Sarasota Police Department says they cannot comment right now on the investigation because the Florida Department of Law Enforcement is still investigating. In Sarasota, Alessandra Young, 8 on your side.